Hello, fellow YouTubers, cat lovers. Welcome to Pete Fisher's YouTube channel. This is my first unboxing, product reveal, test review. I hope you like it. Okay, without further ado, this is one of those as seen on TV, pop and play, cat interactive toy, motorized peekaboo. Fun for cats of all ages, unpredictable movements for interactive play, optional chirping sounds keep kitty intrigued, 15-minute auto shut-off timer, includes interchangeable mouse and feather. Pets know best. Includes one pop and play base unit, one interactive mouse toy, one interactive feather toy. Pop and play. Pop and play interactive cat toy engages and entertains kittens and cats for hours. Spontaneous movements and optional chirping sounds keep kitty intrigued. Durable 360-degree dome design allows kitty to approach and play from any angle. Let's see, it says requires 4C batteries, not included. Alright, let's give this sucker a test. Just like my children, I have to put it together and play with it. It's got to be dad tested tough. I guess they child-proofed it, so I can't open it. Alright, let's see what we got. Here's the little mouse it comes with. If you can see that good. Instruction booklet. And the base unit itself. And it looks like it already has the feather in it. Figures, I need a Phillips head. Uh-oh. I should have thought of that before I made the video. Alright, let's see. Let's go old school. Nope. Here we go. I just happen to have one handy. Oh, 4C batteries that weren't included. Yeah, of course I went for Duracell. Might as well product test these too. Says they're good for 10 years. See if they work out of the package. Always make sure you put the batteries in correctly. back on. Screw the cap back on. Alright. Let's clear the table a little bit. And there should be an on-off button switch here somewhere. Okay, what does this say? Power and sound. There's the power button. There's the sound button. Alright, let's see what I think as opposed to what my kiddies will think. Alright, if you hear that, I think it's a tweeting sound. Okay, that's a silent mode. That's the tweeting mode. I think my cats will go for that. But in the next video, we'll see how they do. So I hope you enjoyed my very first unboxing. Uh-oh, what happened there? Oh, I guess it's going the other way. So I hope you enjoy my first unboxing product test, and we'll let my cats do the review. Please hit the like button, subscribe. Thank you very much. Happy catting. Love your cats.